Biological environment. Physical environment means includes all non-living things like land, water, and the air, and etc. And biological environment includes the living things such as plants, animals, human beings also. Natural environment has lot of economic values. Plants and animals in our environment are useful to us in a number of ways. Next, we will see about farms. What is farm? Farming is the activity of growing crops and raising a livestock. It's part of agriculture. Agriculture is the cultivation of land and breeding of animals and plants to provide food, fiber, wood and medical plants to sustain and enhance life. But farming is more profitable than agriculture. So it is done on a commercial scale. An area of land with field and buildings that is developed primarily to growing crops or raising domestic animals or both as business is called farm. Dairy farm, that is a type of agriculture that focus on extraction of milk and preparation of various milk products like cheese, butter, curd, etc. High milk producing cows along with the bulls and oxen are raised in commercial dairy farms. Other animals found in these farms include goats, sheep and camels. Cattle breeds. In India, there are 26 cattle breeds. They are domesticated for milk, agricultural work and transportation and many other needs. Gir, Shaival, Red Sindhi, and are some of the cattle breeds found in India. Cattle breeds found in different states of India are given in the table. These are the different cattle breeds, animals. And apart from these animals, buffaloes are also domesticated in India because there are 7 buffalo breeds in India. Buffaloes produce more amount of milk than cows. Also, buffalo milk has more nutrients than cow's milk. Some of the buffalo breeds found in country are given the table. These are the different buffalo breeds. Then feeding, that is cattle need nutrients feed in order to be healthy and to produce high milk yield. The cattle feed includes roughage and concentrates. The roughage contains high amount of fiber and it includes fodder, hay, straw and silage. Concentrates includes broken grams and cereals, millets, rice polish, cotton seeds and oil cakes. Then diseases. Foot and mouth diseases and anthrax are some of the common diseases found among cattle. Maintaining proper sanitation is necessary to stop the spread of these diseases. Then uses. What are the uses? Cattle are useful to us in number of ways. There are given some ways are given. Let's see one by one. We get milk from cows. Cow milk contains essential minerals need for us. Then bullocks are used to plough land and harvest and crops. And cattle are employed in transportation. Cattle dung is used as manure. It is also used as fuel and for generation of biogas. And Panchakavya is an Ayurvedic medicine used in agriculture to control pests and fungi. And leather goods are manufactured from cattle hides. Then poultry farms, that is avian species and reared and turkeys, and some varieties of pigeon are the most commonly reared species. Chicken occupy 90% of the total poultry. Okay, poultry bags grown for meat and collected broilers. Next, breeds. There are more than 100 breeds of fowls are classified on the basis of their utility to man. They are meat type broilers, egg type, that is egg layer, and duck type. Ashel and chittagong, these are the types found in our country. Local and indigenous birds are reared in rural places. Traditionally, these birds have a poor meat production capacity compared to the commercial broilers and layers. Type of broilers. Then feeding. Poultry birds needs proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and vitamins for egg and meat productions. Bajra, barley, maize, and wheat, rice bran, zagar, oil cake, fish meal, bread, and feed residues of vegetables are the feed given to the poultry bags. Then products. The poultry birds benefits us in the many ways, like eggs, meat, and manure, and are the three main benefits we get from them. The birds are good sources of nutritive food. Then eggs laid by them are rich source of protein. These are the easily digestible. They contain minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. Their feathers are used to making pillows and quilts. Then dropping of the poultry bags is used as a manure. It is highly valuable for crops. And poultry diseases. If poultry animals are not cared or feed properly, they suffer from a number of diseases. First one is poultry bags affected by virus suffer from fever and diarrhea. Then cholera is caused in them by bacteria. Overexposure to wet and cold conditions causes cramps in poultry bags. Poultry bags are affected by internal parasites like roundworm and tapeworm. They are also affected by the external parasites like fleas, lice, etc. And management. Poultry bags needs to clean environment. The following measures should be taken in order to avoid diseases. What are they? First one, poultry houses should be clean and disinfected, and it should have windows for ventilation, and light is essential for egg production, and poultry bags needs clean and fresh water. Then finally, timely vaccination is necessary to prevent diseases. And apiculture, that is rearing of honeybee for honey, is known as apiculture. It is also called beekeeping. In his technique, honeybees are reared in the specially designed wooden box. Honeybees have been very closely associated with humans since ancient times. Types of honeybee. There are three types of honeybee are found in colony. They are queen bee, the dragons, and the worker bees. Then two queen bees. The queen is the largest number of the colony. There are 21 queen, and it is the fertile female of the colony. They are formed from fertile egg. The queen is responsible for laying egg in the colony. It lays about 2,000 eggs per day. Then drones. Drones are the fertile males. They develop from members of the colony. These bees are a very active. Their functions is to collect honey. Then useful products from honeybees. Honey is a sweet and viscous, edible, natural food product. It contains proteins, free and amino acids, vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, phosphorus and manganese. And the following are the uses of honeybees. Honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial property, and it helps in building up. It is used in the Ayurvedic and dry system of medicines. It prevents a cough, cold, fever and relieves sore throat. It enhances digestion and appetite. It provides essential amino acids required for the growth of the body. And bee wax. Wax means melugu. Bee wax is secreted by the wax glands of worker bee to construct the combs of beehive. Some of the uses of the bee wax are given. First one, it is widely used in cosmetic industry. The wax is used in the preparation of shoe polish and manufacture of gold creams, lipsticks, candles, etc. It is also used in the preparations of ointment